How are you? I hope you are fine. This is Parishar Shakar, Assistant Teacher of English, Ambadia Ketla Mazargati High School, Degulia, Khulna. For online class, we will discuss about the affix. What is the affix? The particles which are used before or after of a root word are called affix. There are two types of affixes. That means prefix, suffix. Prefix, suffix. What is the definition of prefix? Prefix, the particles which are added at the beginning of a root word are called prefix. Suffix, the particles which are added at the end of a root word are called suffix. Prefix, what is the prefix or prefix? An, il, dis, in, im, auto, etc. And suffix, ness, hood, dumb, L, tion, er, or, etc. Now we will use the suffix and prefix for the sentence or for the words. Root word, prefix equal to new word. Prefix un, root word happy equal to unhappy. This is root word, and before root word we will use prefix. Before root word we will use prefix. And for example, plus this equal to new word dishonest. What is prefix? Before the root word, prefix. For the suffix, a root word plus suffix equal to new word. Root word happy plus suffix ness equal to new word happiness. Root word, this is root word, and after a root word we will use suffix. This is root word and this is suffix, new word. Brother plus hood, brotherhood. This is root word, and after root word we will use suffix. We'll use suffix. This is the system of a derivative words or creating new words for the sentences. There are 3 sentences in the board. Dash happy comes from mind. 2 dash free is our birthright. 3 man is dash mortal. Now we will use the suffix and prefix in the sentences. Happy comes from mind. That means happiness comes from the mind. In the sentence, what kind of affixes we use? Ness, that means suffix. After root word. Free is our birthright. Freedom is our birthright. Dom is suffix and free the root word. Man is dash. Man is immortal. And this is root word. And before the root word, we will use prefix. Before the root word, we will use prefix. In. Prefix. In this way, we have to create many new words for increasing our vocabulary. Now, I am giving you some examples. Class biography, autobiography. brother plus hood, brotherhood. Friend plus ship, friendship. etc. In this way we have to create many new words. Let us finish my class. Bye bye.